Whiskers was a curious cat with a stripy coat. One day, he found a bouncing ball. He tried to catch it, but it bounced away. Whiskers chased the ball all around the room. The ball rolled under the sofa and disappeared. Whiskers poked his paw underneath to find it. He heard a strange noise behind him suddenly. It was his friend, Paws, the puppy, barking. Paws thought it was playtime and joined in. Together, they searched for the lost ball. Whiskers and Paws found it under the rug. The ball was stuck, but teamwork saved the day. They bounced the ball excitedly for hours. Whiskers and Paws became the best of friends. Their favorite game was chasing the bouncing ball. Every day was an adventure full of giggles.